8 million metric tons of plastic end up in the oceans every year, and ocean currents and tides form extensive islands of plastic known as garbage patches. Some studies have recently reported the potential of GNSS-Reflectometry to detect marine plastic litter from space. As part of the global monitoring of microplastics using GNSS-Reflectometry or GLIMPS project led by Demos Space UK, our team at the Polytechnic University of Catalonia conducted a ground-based GNSS-R experiment in a controlled water flume, the Atlantic Basin at Deltares, in October 2021. The experiment was designed to assess whether GNSS-R observables are affected by the presence of plastics under different wave conditions. We hypothesized that the presence of plastics may not only dampen the ocean waves, but also create new ripple waves. The presence of phytoplankton on the plastic surface may also increase the wave damping effect. The GNSS-R ground-based system comprised a total of 6 antennas transmitting a GPS-like signal at the L1 band, including the coarse acquisition pseudo-random noise codes 16, 20, 29, and 31. 3 antennas were strategically placed at locations where the azimuthal angle was 0 degrees, and the elevation angles were 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and 30 degrees with respect to the receivers. The remaining 3 were at locations where the elevation angle was 30 degrees, and the azimuthal angles were 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and 30 degrees. An RF switching matrix controlled by a Raspberry Pi was used to perform a sequential sweep of the transmitting antennas, multiplexing in time with the transmission of the GPS-like signal through each of the 6 antennas. 2 receiving antennas, one single polarized pointing upwards and another one double polarized pointing downwards, were used to simultaneously acquire the direct and scattered signals over the waves. All the antennas were hanging over the basin to avoid placing masts and poles in the middle of the flume, thereby distorting the wave field. After discarding some data files due to poor quality, a total of 123 valid data files were analyzed. Most of the changes in the recorded data were marginal and difficult to observe with the naked eye, and so a statistical analysis was performed on the signal amplitude and phase. Wave height, wave spectrum, plastic concentration, and plastic shape were used as variables. A more exhaustive analysis may be found in the open access article GNSS-R Observations of Marine Plastic Litter in a Water Flume, an experimental study.